Hi guys. I'm thinking of doing some some partly some upgrades to the printer as I wait for the boards. Um, as I had some issues. Um, there's my axis is partly wobbly. Uh, Part of it is because I don't have like my major concern is the Z axis. As from this angle, the amount of play is too much. That's because I don't have a second stepper. I'm only using one stepper. Plus, again, my frame is skinny. Even my stepper is hanging out. So, adding a stepper will be. I'll have to add it at the back. There's the only place that allow space. Because eventually I'll just need that stepper. There's a stepper. Reduce this is too much. Plus, again, when it's wobbling with the frame. But the frame isn't as much. The other axis is the bed. As I was building, I put the supports at the middle. This makes it light, but doesn't have support, so it's tipping. I'll have to double up the supports. To reduce this as it rotates, it's plain, but the rotations aren't. The other one is this one. The problem with the this is the X going like this. This is the Y, the bed going like this, and then this is the Z going up and down. I need to add a bearing here. Because it's still hanging. It's part of the reasons why it's plain. And just make this thing play just because of the hang. I should make something like this. I put 2 nails and a screw to hold my pulley. Other thing is, I don't know why these things are, why it came off. Maybe it removed the screw. Maybe it's one of the reasons why it's plain. It's supposed to be here. They're supposed to be 4. Even this one checked. That's why again it's plain that much. So virtually it's supported on 2. This one and this one. Oh, I remember now. I checked them because of my tolerance. This distance here. I'm not sure if the camera can get it, but I guess it should have a good view. We see it's at roughly 3.8 at the center, and it's at 31.4 at the center. Coming lower, my drill is falling. Let me pick it up. And I remember the measurements. Coming here, it's at 20. Oh, what's that now? It's not even 20 yet. The center is roughly at 18. And here it's okay. So this is the side that has tapered out. That can have a fix by pushing it in. Makes sense why it's falling that much. So need to push this wood in. See, there's like a space here. This space here. I push it in together because as of now it's more of a parallelogram. What do we call it? It's not a perfect square. So okay, not now, but I want to change this the gantry. It might be too heavy. I want to change the frame, the actual frame to this. Some Slater might not be strong. I mean, put 2 layers of it just to, and then drill some holes. It's a bit heavy, but if this is heavy, you can. But the wood that I was using this here, this wood was the first printer frame that I was building. I was using this. This is a board frame. It's the type of wood that is mashed, grinded, and then held together with glue, and then it's as if they put some plates. I can't put on my turn on the flashlight. I don't know if you can see, it's ground wood. And like this one, and then it has a plate. Now if you drill on this side, it's weak as opposed to this side. It has plates on both sides. When you make the frame at first, it's strong, but now when you start making some adjustments, like the frame starts moving, or you start screwing and unscrewing it, it got it started getting weak. Compared to this one, it's the same. Wood is wood. When you open and close it, it gets weak. That's why the guys use just a nail and stays like that. But it's better. it's a different form of board. They're whole boards. It's just that the blocks that are held together. You can see another block. It's as if they were boards held that are laid like this, and then covered with another ceiling board, something of a ceiling board, I think something like this. Something like that. So I want to change this to this. Even this for the arm, I'm going to change this to the thin one to be like this. The actual supports for the, see, even this arm, the hot end was playing a lot. I ended up it was weak. Two, this this tolerance here, it's more than twice this wood. So I put two, then topped up with some hot glue. Those are among the plans so far. Oh, and there's this now. In this axis, I found better rails actually, and they are cheaper. They're not made for this. Chill. Wait a minute. They're carpet form. They're for making cupboards, drawers rather, drawer rails like this one. But this one doesn't have a rail. It's just a drawer. Now, actually got for 10 inches. Oh, no, 1 foot. Is it 1 foot? Yeah, 1 foot. I got it for $300, or roughly 300 to be 2 point something dollars. I wanted to put it here, or I exchange this one. I find these ones are better. They have less play compared to these ones. You don't see it. It's not something that I was expecting, but the play, just for one, that's too much play. I assume I can get better performance. Plus again, I've shortened it, I've cut it, and then modified this edge, cut it again on this edge. Hope you can see the cut. The glare is too much. I've cut this end too, so it can move, and then it extends. Oh, I've cut it. I'm not used to it. It's supposed to be up to somewhere. So I'll mount my arm somewhere around here. I may move or somewhere around, just maybe at the middle. I can achieve from here. still moving 10. But my total will be 200. I can achieve a 200 well, because my bed is 200. For the Z, I might have to get the long one. There was a long one that you're selling at 350. Was it 350 or 400? I can't remember. Eventually ended up bargaining. The ramps there without the capacitors. But as for that, it's on hold. It's giving me a headache. This board burner is not controlling my printer. It's not controlling my printer. Let's see what. But let's wait for the new one. I'm waiting for another RAMs and some 1.6, despite for this 1.4 here. Shimata. Doesn't have the fuse, doesn't have the transistors. So yeah, that's about it. I'll keep updating and posting you guys. So yeah.